Here is how you can send fake snaps on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can send fake snaps on Snapchat. By sending fake snaps, I mean by sending your photos as snaps on Snapchat. So let me show you how you can do it. As I open Snapchat and go to my chats, if I want to send any photo from my gallery, it will be sent as a photo like this. However, if you want to send the photos as snaps, what you can do is go to Google Play Store. Then after search for OVF editor and download the app. It's a small app, so it should not take you much time. After you have downloaded the app, simply open it. Then after upload the photo that you want to send as snap. After you select a photo, you will find a screen like this. Scroll on the menu below and go to crop. Then after select any format. For now let's go with 9:16. Then tap on the tick on the right side. Furthermore, tap on the tick on the top right side. As you finish editing the photo, you will get an option like this. Tap on share to Snapchat. Then after, as you go to the Snapchat app, tap on send to. Then send it to any person. As you go to the specific chat, you can see that the photo has been sent as a snap. You can clearly see the difference between the previously sent photo and the current one. So in this way, you can send fake snaps on Snapchat. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.